Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI. If you're a big traveler like I am, I have to tell you about this Morfone travel bottle set. So we recently took an international trip and these worked out perfectly. First of all, we didn't have any problems at the airport, but most importantly, the bottles were really great. I really like how easy they are to fill, and we had no leaks the whole trip, so that was just perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Also, everything I needed fit in this little bag that it comes with, so I loved that. And one thing I really love is that this set comes with labels. I was always trying to figure out how to label my little travel bottles before, and I love that this comes with labels that just stayed on the entire trip. Also, all of these little extra accessories were great. I used one of the little bottles to carry my jewelry, which was perfect. I'm always a little worried about losing my jewelry, so that was great to have all those extra options in there as well. Overall, I just was really, really happy with this, and I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.